What's up, friend? Hector here from 𝗙𝗏𝗁𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀com with this week's workout of the week. Today I'm going to be showing you a new program that I put together. It's actually been added to the Kettlebell Workout Snacks ebook, which you can download below this video. So I'm going to be taking you through a program, really simple workout that's part of a program called Simple Muscle. Really simple program. So it's based off of the 3 most fundamental exercises to build muscle mass. Okay, so to build muscle, basically, we need to put our muscles under stress, right? So muscle is a direct result of exercise. Fat loss is a direct result of nutrition, okay? And when you pair those two together, you've got a great recipe for building muscle and losing body fat at the same time. So to build muscle, there's no secret. We need to incorporate strength training. And on top of strength training, we need to incorporate compound exercises. What are compound exercises? Compound exercises are basically multi-jointed exercises like deadlifting, pressing, squatting, pull-ups, that kind of thing, okay? Single jointed exercises, those are more for isolation. Those are for more bodybuilding based. You can build muscle with those, but to put on a lot of muscle really fast, you're gonna get that out of compound exercises. So for today's workout and for this new program, Simple Muscle, we're going to be incorporating the press, we're going to be incorporating the kettlebell front squat, and we're going to be incorporating the double kettlebell deadlift. So this is going to be used with a pair of kettlebells that you can strict press about 15 times, okay? So your muscles are going to be under tension for quite a bit of time. So step 1, you need to strength train. That's how you build muscle. Step number 2, you need to focus on using compound exercises. Step number 3, you need to make sure that you have your muscles under tension. So the longer that your muscles are under tension, this is known as time under tension. The longer that your muscles are under tension, the better your opportunity or the better your chances of building muscle mass are, okay? So those are the 3 mechanisms we're gonna be focusing on building muscle mass. So compound exercises, strength training, compound exercises, and keeping your muscles under tension, okay? So I'm going to jump right into it. So the way we're going to be structuring this is going to be a what I call a serial circuit interval, okay? So we're going to be jumping between the front squat and the press. So what you're going to do is we're going to be completing sets of 6 double presses. So this is short cycle. You're not going to be doing clean and press. So just the pure, good old-fashioned, strict kettlebell military press is a better option for building muscle versus the clean and press because, again, we want to keep those muscles under tension. We want to build that lactic acid for this situation here, okay? So 1 clean, 6 presses, okay? You're going to do that on the minute for 3 consecutive sets. So as an example, clean the bells up, 6 strict presses. You're going to put the bells down. You're going to shake it out. At the top of the minute, you're going to clean them up again, 6 strict presses, bells down, shake it out. After that, you're going to do the 3rd set, clean them up, 3 strict presses. From there, the clock should read like 2 minutes and, I don't know, 20 seconds or so. You're going to rest at the top of the minute. That'll take you to the 3rd minute, and then you're going to add another minute. Okay, so that's 3 or 4. So basically at the 4-minute mark, right? So 1, 2. So you'll be putting the bells down. It's going to be like 2 minutes and 20 seconds-ish. Rest at the top of the minute. That's the 3rd minute. You're going to add another minute. So basically at the 4-minute mark, you're going to start your series of squats, front squat. Okay, you're going to clean the bells up. You're going to do 6 front squats. Rest at the top of the minute, clean them up, 6 front squats. Rest at the top of the minute, clean them up, 6 front squats, okay? That is going to complete 1 circuit. So a series of presses and a series of squats completes 1 circuit, okay? And what you're gonna do for this workout is you're gonna complete 2 total circuits. So you're gonna knock out 6, 12, 18, 36, 2 circuits. You're gonna complete 72 total lifts. That is a lot of volume in a short period of time, okay? So this is how you're going to be able to pack on a lot of muscle really quick. Again, coupled with the proper nutrition, which I'm going to get into that below this video or in this post on how to do that. So as soon as you're done with both circuits, I've got a finisher for you. So as soon as you're done with both circuits of the double press and the double front squat, you're gonna finish off with one set of double kettlebell deadlifts, one set of 20. You're gonna finish off with one set of 20, you're just gonna let them rip. Set of 20, and then you're done, okay? I'm gonna put all the details in the post below. If you want the full version of this workout from the program I put together called Simple Muscle, totally free, not gonna cost you anything. It's a part of the 3rd edition of my ebook, Kettlebell Workout Snacks. There's a link below this post, this video, what have you, where you can grab your free copy. Just put your information, and I'll send it right to your email inbox, okay? So I'm gonna jump right into it. That way you can see me knock out the presses, the squats, and the deadlifts. So let's do it. There you have it, friend. Simple muscle. We're gonna be pairing a series of presses, series of front squats, series of deadlifts. I'm out of breath. So you're gonna choose a pair of bells that you can press, strict press, 15 times. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you're gonna knock out full series of presses, then a full series of squats. That completes one circuit. You're gonna complete 2 total circuits, which is a total of 72 total presses and squats. Then you're gonna finish off with one finisher, same pair of bells, 20 double deadlifts, taking you to a total of 92 total lifts. That is gonna help you pack on some serious muscle. So quick note on nutrition. To put on size, to put on muscle mass, if you're trying to put on muscle, you need to eat. You need to make sure that you're eating the right foods, not eating like shit. You need to make sure you're eating the right foods, okay? So carbs are essential. Carbs are essential to build muscle mass and to lose body fat. So what you wanna do is you wanna plan the majority of your carbs around your training session, okay? Good rule of thumb, probably anywhere between 50 grams or so of carbs before training and about 50 grams of carbs post-training, okay? Best carbs, the best bang for your buck, potatoes, white rice, oatmeal, things like that, okay? So that's all I got. That's this week's workout of the week. If you have any questions, if you're enjoying the video, what have you, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you can stay up to date with any of the latest workout or technique of the week videos that we're putting out. So again, Hector with 𝗨𝗏𝑒𝗏𝑥.com with this week's workout of the week.